All right, so Albert, as we get closer to the storm, you're starting to get a better picture of what's going to happen.
So let me tell you what I know for sure.
Okay.
It's almost I can guarantee you it's going to get really cold starting Thursday night. We're talking about below zero wind chills, in some cases as cold as 25 below as we head into the holiday weekend. Also, what I know for sure is we're going to get a lot of snow and we're going to get a lot of wind. And those two combined means that the likelihood of us having to deal with blizzard conditions late Thursday into Friday, that is increasing. What I don't know for sure yet is how much snow we're going to get. Models are ranging from as little as 6 inches, which is still a lot, to as much as 18. So we're going to continue to fine tune that forecast. But let's get into it right now. Winter storm watch in effect. It starts at 6 p.m. Thursday, goes until 6 a.m. on Saturday. This will get upgraded to blizzard warnings or winter storm warnings in the coming days. Here's the good news. You have plans tomorrow, you have plans Wednesday, you're in good shape. It is cold for sure, 32 degrees, mostly cloudy on Tuesday. We'll even see some sun in the afternoon. Colder Wednesday, 17 in the morning, 29 degrees in the afternoon. So let me show you the big perspective. By Thursday at lunchtime, strong area of low pressure moving out of the Great Plains, moving into the upper Midwest. This is pulling in rich Arctic air behind it. Ahead of it, southerly winds pulling in moisture from the Gulf of Mexico. So you have a lot of moisture, you have a lot of cold air, you get snow, and that's what's in the forecast, increasing throughout the day on Thursday. And I'll show you that new timeline in depth in just a second. But here's what I have for you. Thursday, increasing snow showers, becoming much more widespread by the mid-afternoon, and a dramatic temperature drop. We'll make it to 30 for a high temperature on Thursday around 3 p.m. But by the evening hours, 7, 8 o'clock, we have wind chills in the teens, and overnight we'll have wind chills in the single digits. Blowing snow likely on Friday, so it's Thursday night and especially Friday morning when we have the best chance of reduced visibility because of blowing snow, and that's when those blizzard conditions will be with us, and that's because of wind gusts as high as 55 miles per hour. And this is just in with some of the new data coming in. 10 for the high on Friday, but we'll have wind chills in the middle of the afternoon, 15 below to maybe as cold as 25 below zero. So here's that brand new model that just came in around 9:45. It's not even completely done yet, but I'm going to show you the latest information showing you the increasing snow a little bit earlier. So if you have travel plans Thursday, 2, 3, 4 o'clock, snow is going to be increasing, and it could be heavy at times starting by the early evening. So that's a little bit of a change here. The other change here is showing the heavy snow lasting Thursday night into early Friday morning, but this moisture starts to move out a little bit quicker. So that's the good news I have for you, is that, say, by on lunchtime into the afternoon time on Friday, the snow chances start to decrease. And then I think we're just dealing with drifting and blowing snow from what's on the ground throughout the day on Saturday. So here's a check of the weekend forecast. 8 for the high on Saturday. Wind chills for the Bears game kickoff on Saturday at noon here on CBS 2, 15 below. And then 9 for Christmas Day, but wind chills even then, 15 below to 25 below zero. It is cold Christmas Eve, Christmas Day. So multiple alerts for you. First, because of increasing snow, hazardous travel conditions late Thursday, Thursday night into Friday. and then alerts continue Saturday and Sunday, Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, because of the dangerously cold temperatures we are forecasting.
There's a lot of negatives on that 7-day.
Yes, in more way than one, right? That's for sure. Yeah.
Exactly. Thank you, Albert.
Football weather in Chicago. I mean, that's one way to put it. Some would say it's a little bit extreme.